Can you see me? It's really dark. It's starting to be so much darker. Okay, let me zoom myself. Yes, it actually automatically zoom. Bye bye. I love you. I really do. Do. Maybe this way is better. No, nothing. It is just dark. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And so I decide, oh, that's something so strange. Looks like an airplane. So I saw the sun setting down, and I thought I need to go out to see sunset because I am interested in getting some pretty images, but then the sun setting down. So I am not doing the things I want, but it actually gave me such a relaxation, such a moment of forgiveness, of openness, just by being here, being in a vast piece of land. I think I am doing a favor to me by getting out of my home. Listen to the cricket, and it's just so unbelievably healing. It cures my heart. It cures my soul. And I felt I was wounded. I felt I was hurt. And in the middle of this big land, I just feel so much better. Not even because those hurts, those wounds were small. They were not small. They hurt. But the fact that I talk to myself, that I discuss with myself, that I find, that I try to understand something, that I try to persuade myself, that I try to rationalize the unfortunate happening is clarifying, is very clarifying. I am so happy that I give myself the time. Give myself the time to come out. This is good. This is so good. I am happy. I came with a heavy heart, and I am leaving this place with so much freshness, openness. It makes me happy. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. So here's the lesson. Here is the lesson. Go out of your small place. Go to breathe fresh air.